a bit of paradigm shift happening, and probably the last biggest shift was when smartphones got and multi-touch interfaces got introduced. So I don't know where the world's going to end up in like 4 or 5 years when it comes to AI. Things are moving at a very rapid pace, way faster than healthcare is typically used to moving. But it's also been very impressive to see how quickly some of these AI innovations are hitting the market. And so we kind of see our job to be like, how can we better help enable some of these innovations to come to market faster, to achieve the outcomes that they're trying to achieve. And like you mentioned, this is about like how do you make sure the data quality of the data that you're using to build your models is up to snuff. How do you do it faster? Because too many times I talk to friends of mine who are working in AI companies, and when you look past the glamour of AI, you realize that data scientists spend so much time just cleaning up data. Okay, it's that's like 78% of the non-glamorous stuff. So just imagine if you could, and healthcare data is notorious, and it's like it's a lack of cleanliness and hygiene, I suppose. But if you can reduce that 70-80% of data scientists' time spent in cleaning up data, it's not going to be zero, but what if could become 20-30% instead? Now that's like the time that can actually go in building and better, newer, innovative models. So I think that's a big opportunity for us to help different AI companies, and even if it's not AI companies, I think eventually every company will be an AI company. So there will be some product, some use case, something that you're building using AI, and just focus on doing the cool stuff. Don't worry about doing the gritty stuff, if you will. Like that's I think going to be a huge boon, especially as you try to attract AI talent down the road, because AI talent right now is really hard to find in the market.